Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video about my college. So let's get started. So we are a batch of 50 and we are the foundation batch. So हमारे सारे लेक्चर जो है कामा हॉस्पिटल में होता है. कामा हॉस्पिटल GT हॉस्पिटल से कुछ 500-600 मीटर्स है. इफ़ यू गो फ्रॉम बैक गेट ऑफ GT हॉस्पिटल टू बैक गेट ऑफ कामा हॉस्पिटल. वैसे इफ़ यू गो बाय रोड, द मेन रोड, देन इट विल बी 900 meters something, but it is walking distance. Daily we walk from GT to Kama Hospital because our hostel is in GT and college is in Kama Hospital. We don't have a separate college building right now, but our labs, anatomy lab, dissection lab, then biochemistry and physiology labs, they are all in Kama Hospital, and the lecture hall is also in Kama Hospital. Let's start with academics. So the number of faculties in every department for 50 people is sufficient and they are good enough, but at the end खुद का खुद ही पढ़ना पड़ता है. For practicals also we are divided into two batches, batch of 25, which is not very chaotic. And like for example in anatomy practicals, if 25 people are going for histo, the other 25 will go for dissection, and same happens with biochemistry and physiology. And a lot of you have a doubt about, is it well equipped, are the labs well equipped? So let me tell you, yes, they are well equipped. For example, in the anatomy department, we have 25 bone sets, which are enough for 50 people, and there are a lot of embryology models. We have a cadaver, and yes, biochemistry lab also has everything that is required for first year MBBS. Hostels are there for both girls and boys. Then they are in the GT hospital campus, and yes, you get the hostel from first year itself. In the hostel you are given a few things like bed, chair, table, cupboard, a mattress and a pillow. And as it's a new college, the hostels are also new. They're well furnished, and per room there are 2 students, so it doesn't get chaotic or crowdy at the same time. About the mess, no, the mess facility is not available. We have 2 canteens. One canteen is in GT hospital and the other one is in Kama hospital. And here a lot of tiffin services are there, so you can always go for tiffin services in that case. So the best thing about my college is its location. It is the only medical college in South Bombay, and in South Bombay we are in Fort. Everything is so easily accessible. Like the CSMT station is almost 1 kilometer from our hostel, so घर से आना जाना becomes so easy. Also अगर मम्मी को मिलने आना है या relatives आ रहे हैं, so it becomes very easy for them to visit you. And at walking distance we can go to Marine Drive, गिरगांव चौपाटी. मतलब हॉस्टल से बाहर निकलो हॉस्पिटल से, if you go this side you'll go to CSMT station. If you go this side you'll go to Crawford Market. Everything is so easily accessible. So this is the one thing I wanted to share with you.
Time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave out a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for dinner.
That's it for today's video. For any more questions, comment below, and bye bye.